Welcome back to this video. Before you can start using TikTok on your phone or on your PC, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see the important security you need to set right now before you start using your TikTok account. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is open up your TikTok account. So I'm going to click on here to open up my TikTok. Then I'm going to open up your TikTok. Next thing you need to do is to go to the profile right here. Go to your profile icon. Then from profile right here, click on this three slider from the top. The next thing you need to do is to go to settings and privacy. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on security and permissions. Then right here, next thing you need to do is to go to security checkup. So it's going to take you right here. So at this point here, you have good 6 ways to secure your TikTok account. And you need to make sure that all these are checked right here. All these are fully checked. So with that, your TikTok account is going to be secure. But if you have anyone that look like this, it means that you need to work on it and make sure you enable them. And for you to do that, simply click on it. And this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to follow the prompt. So for you to enable any of these, simply click on any one of them. So I'm going to simply click on phone number right here. Then your phone number is here. So just like so. Then for email, make sure you click on email section, add your email address or change the email address. And the next one right here is your two-step verification. Make sure you add it. And in order to improve the layer security of your account, then always check your devices right here. Under the devices, this is where you see the number of devices that you are using to log in into your TikTok account. If you take note of any other devices that is not recognized right here, make sure you delete the devices and your account is going to be secure. The very last one right here is security activity. Click on security activity. No new security activity in the last 30 days. Click on OK. It simply means that your TikTok account is fully secure. It's as simple as that. But enable all these particular buttons right here. At least 5 of the 6 here. If you are able to enable 5 out of the 6, your TikTok account is going to be secure and you will not be able, and your account cannot be hacked by anyone. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.